Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I cared for my braids for the last 6 weeks. I'm going to show you all the things I did, and then also I'm going to show you the takedown process. So keep watching. So first of all, I use apple cider vinegar with the mother. So shake it a bit, and then I measured about, that's about 100 ml of water. So I've put 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into 100 ml of water. I'll just give it a little mix. And then that is what I use to clean my scalp. Okay, so I've got my apple cider vinegar water, some cotton wool. I dip it in, squeeze it out, and use that to clean my scalp. So ensure that you're squeezing it properly so that you don't have water running down your face. So I've cleaned my whole scalp now. I've done the back, I've done everywhere. And the next thing I do on a daily would be to spritz it. So I'm going to show you. So this is my tea spritz, and if you look at the video up there, those are the ingredients I use to make it, and that's just me showing you all the different ingredients. Sometimes I use the Mafrodisiac Hydrating Spritz in place of this, but I ensure that I'm spritzing my hair every day. This is my made one. Sometimes I make use of this one. So I use some horsetail tea, and then I use some aloevera juice, and then I put some oils into it. So I have jojoba oil, lavender oil, and rosemary oil. So just give it a good mix. Oil and water don't mix, so obviously as it's spritz, so I'm getting some water and some oil. So I just spritz. So I don't mind whether it touches my scalp or not. I'm just ensuring that my hair is hydrated, also ensuring that the spritz is going on my hair in the braids. So ignore all that because that's me already just taking off my braids, but I'm just showing you. Just ensuring that the whole hair is well spritzed and moisturized, including the scalp. And obviously I'm getting the benefits of lavender oil and rosemary oil. So that's it. So the tea spritz, I do that daily. So every day I ensure that my hair is spritzed with the tea spritz. And then every week I use the leave-in conditioner. This is from Mafrodisiac. I use the leave-in conditioner. I just put a little bit, not too much. And then I just ensure that I rub it down my braids. So I just ensure that I work the conditioner into my hair and into the braids so that I benefit from the moisture. So this is what I do weekly. Sometimes I do it maybe every 5 days or 4 days, depending on how dry or how much my hair needs. And then the final thing I do is the oil. This is the Mafrodisiac Amla tea tree oil with Chinese herbs. So I use that on my scalp, and a little goes a long way. So I just spray it in strategic locations and just allow it go through. Besides that oil, I also have a mix I've done. So this is my mix, my personal oil mix, which includes jojoba, lavender and rosemary oil. So I use that when I'm going to do my scalp massage. You can use any oil at all, but I use that. So I either put a few drops in my finger and then rub it and then put it where I want to massage. I can massage with my fingers, or I can use my massage comb, which I'll show you in a second. But I use one or the other. So it's either I'm using this one or I'm using this one and this one, and these ones I use them every 2 to 3 days, so I don't use them daily. Whenever I want to do a massage or whenever I just want to seal in the moisture with oil. So after the leave-in, I use the oil. So these two go together. I'm going to show you a massage and then that's it. So I use this for a scalp massage. So just do that. My hands work well as well. So just do that to stimulate the follicles on my scalp, and that ensures that blood is circulating properly, which also triggers hair growth. So just do that. And voila, that's everything. That's everything. So that's how I've cared for my braids. And next is showing you how I take down my braids. So I've taken down this section, and then I'm going to show you how I've done the rest. So keep watching. So here is how I took down my braids. I've taken nearly all of them down already. I have just about 4 left. Pardon the mess, please. Yeah, so what I did now is I cut them and then spray it with my tea spritz as usual, because it's better to take down moisturized hair than dry hair. So I moisturize it with my tea spritz, and then I've already cut down the extensions. You know, they were really long prior. So I'm using my fingers because I'm basically doing this in my office bathroom. You can't let anyone know. But yeah, I just needed to do this quick video and it just didn't work at home. I just didn't have the time. So I'm literally using my fingers because I forgot to take a comb to work, but fingers would work because the braids were done loosely. And our fingers are safe because as long as your nails are trimmed properly, they work better than any sharp instruments. So at the base, I pull the hair a little bit wrongly there. So I pull the extensions out. You should loosen to the very end to avoid that. So now I need to make sure that I take out the hair carefully without ripping my hair because of the tangles. All right, so you see the little dirt and build up there. So I just literally separate them and pass it on to the other side. I repeat this for the next one. Same thing. If it feels dry, I spritz it and then just carry on taking down the hair. And yeah, that's just it. If you spritz it enough, you find out that the build up at the bottom of the hair is kind of melted already. You wouldn't need any excessive dragging of the strands from one another. The drier it is, the more likely your hair would break. So as you can see, I'm just separating the bottom. Some people prefer to do their hair with oil instead. But in my case, I was going to put them into twists, so I didn't mind the spritzing. So I had done my hair in sections, as you can see. I had just braided them down just to secure them, ensure that they're not tangling, because the hair is very prone to tangle, especially after braids. I put in some pre-poo detangling conditioner and just twisted that away. So this is me doing all this within 5 minutes. ensuring that no one comes into my work bathroom. If not, they would just think I'm crazy. And yeah, just gonna tie my scarf. And this is very simple. It takes 1 minute 30 seconds to tie my scarf. Make a knot or a bow and then scrunch it together and just cover that over. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.